Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video has been requested like a lot of times like months ago, and I never got around to do the video just because I started to wanna screen record on my laptop, and it was a whole process. I had to screen record on. I had to find a screen recorder that would work for my laptop. And sorry if you see the phone shaking, I'm on my bed, so yeah, that's just what's gonna happen today in this video. But anyways, I had to find a good screen recorder. I had to screen record the whole video, then I had to wait for the video to upload to the screen recording software thing, and then I had to find a way to download it to my phone. And I know some people are like, why don't you just edit it on your computer? I like editing on my phone. I'm the type of person who I just like editing on my phone. That's just me. I don't really like editing on the computer. You know, it's just more easy for me to just sit on my phone and just start editing, and it's just more simple for me. So yeah, I edit on my phone, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I am going to be showing you guys a little run through of Pirate Ship. I've had Pirate Ship for probably almost 2 years now, and it's literally the best ever. There's no monthly fee. Pirate Ship gives you discounts on USPS labels, and they just now added UPS, so that's great for anybody who likes a different shipping method. So they just added that, and they probably will be adding more soon in the future. You never know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I was gonna like show it on my laptop, but I'm just gonna do it on my phone because I mostly create the shipping labels from my phone anyway. So I'm like, I might as well show you guys. Okay, so I'm getting ready to start the screen recording for the Pirate Ship site, and you guys will see it to the left or right of me. I don't know how the video is gonna upload. Like, I can never remember which way the actual video is. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this. It's gonna be on this side, but I don't know if it's to the right or to the left of me to y'all. So anyways, let me start screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you guys can see it on the screen. You guys can see the Pirate Ship website. So this is the Pirate Ship website on the phone. It's pretty easy to navigate. So this is just the home page, like not the home page, but like the home page of the actual site before you create an account. So you'll just have to, you know, type up your email, and then they have a little video here to show you guys like a little run through of how to use it, and just more information. You can print postage with any type of paper. Now I typically use the 4x6 like rectangle shaped paper to print my shipping labels, but I've also used the 8x11 sheet that has the 2 shipping labels on it, like it's split in half, so I've used that too. And then also you can chat with so what I really love is that, you know how some sites they make you email the customer service, and it's just a whole process. It takes days before they email you back. But here you can literally chat with them like really quick. You just start typing up, and a real person will actually reply to you. So I really love that. And then yeah, it's just so simple. It's a free account. I'm gonna log in real quick to show you guys how my page actually looks and how I ship. Well, not how I ship, but like, you know, a little run through. So this is just all the shipping labels that I've created. There's more. So dang, I did so many shipping labels. It says 256. Wow, I didn't even realize that. So yeah, it keeps track. So right here, this part right here that says single is when you don't have your website connected, or if you don't have a website connected at all, you can click it and it'll allow you to paste somebody's address, or you can type it up, or you can, you know, type up their address individually here by the street, the, you know, the apartment number if that's applicable, or what the heck am I saying? Or the apartment number if it's applicable. So that, and then you can type the city, state, zip code, whatever. Also, they have this feature where you can add the person's email address, so it'll send them a link to the tracking after you create the shipping label, and then also their phone number is a option. And then down here I have the address where I ship from. Now I have 2 different addresses where I typically ship from. It's either at my mom's place or at my dad's place. So yeah, and then also with the package details, these are all the package choices that I usually use for the most part. So I have my 4x6, my 6x10, and then also it breaks it down a little bit more. So you see I have 6x9 here. It's basically 6x10 too, but it's different ounces. So this one says 3 ounces, and then, or this one says 3 ounces, and then this one says 1.5 ounces. So it's just different weights. And then you can also modify the package or create a new option. And here they have the different box options. Right here I would just typically use the envelope or the box because that's usually what I ship in. I don't usually ship with priority mail, but even if you did choose to ship with this priority mail box, it doesn't, like, the price of it doesn't matter. Like, you can, what I'm trying to say is you can use your own packaging but still ship with priority mail, and it'll show you that on the next page. So yeah, that's the single page option. And then upload, it's just for people who use spreadsheets to do addresses. Now I haven't done this option before, but I can imagine it'll probably be more easy for people who don't have a website but they ship a lot of packages, and you'll just have to go into a spreadsheet, you know, put the person's name, their address, if you want to add in their phone number, put their phone number or email, and then upload the spreadsheet, and then it'll create all the shipping labels based on the names, and then you'll just have to go through it, add in the weight, or I think you can add the weight on the spreadsheet. If you actually do, you know, figure it out, let me know, but I don't really do that. And then yeah, so that's just this page, and then again we have the contact info thing to contact Pirate Ship customer service. And then import right here, I really love it because if I had orders on my site right now, it'll show all the orders that I have on my website, and the address would be in already, the product, whatever, and all I would need to do is click on the order, and then it'll take me to the shipping page where I can type in the weight of the product, all this other stuff. So it's really cool. You guys can upload or connect your Shopify sites as well, and a few other different sites. And the cool thing with this is once I go through this setting more, like this page more, I'll show you that you can add more than one site. So I literally can add 2 Big Cartel sites if I want to, or 3, so it really doesn't matter. So rates, this page is where you can like estimate the shipping cost. Like, you're not actually creating an actual shipping label, you just want to see how much it'll cost, and see, as you can see, it doesn't show the address that you'll ship to. So I'm just gonna put in a random zip code, and then I'm just gonna choose this. Let's just go with the 6x10, and then let's just say it's 1 pound. So now it'll allow me to click get rate quote, and then after I get rate quote, it'll tell me how much it'll cost. So for USPS, it'll be $7.26, like an estimate, depending on the information I put. And as you guys can see, there's also a discount. It says you saved 7.
Y'all can just tell that I was mad at myself.
It said you saved a 9%, so that's really cool. If I actually went into the USPS store, it would have charged me the $7.95, so that's pretty cool. And then they also show you the UPS ground price, and then the priority mail price, and then all these different options, like literally all these different options. So that feature is really cool with the rates. And then reports is just all the little information with your account, like maybe how many returns of shipping labels you've did, how many, you know, how much money you spent on that month, the amount of you know, packages that you actually, the amount of packages you actually shipped. So that's pretty much what reports is. It's kind of boring, but it's a good information page. And then here in settings is when you really get into it. So the first one is just basic account information, like your email, passwords, all this other stuff. And then general settings is what you want to go to. So I set my label size to 4x6, as I said before, and I just chose PDF. So PDF, basically, you guys know what PDF means. Basically, if I create a shipping label, I would download it onto my phone and it would download as a PDF file. I don't really know what this ZPLL file is, so I'm just gonna keep it as PDF. And then packing list and gift message. You guys can create your own packing list and gift message, but I don't have that yet, so I just disable it because since I mostly ship stuff with my Big Cartel website, I tend to just use the packing slip from there, and then I'll write a little message on that same paper, and it just saves paper in general. Like, you don't want to just waste paper on a lot of little things. So yeah, that's what I do. And then this is the spreadsheet file type, which is just automatically on this version. And then the enable automatic address correction, which basically means, like, if I typed in an address and I got something wrong on it, Google will pop, like Google Maps would show all the different address versions of whatever I was trying to see or whatever I was trying to choose, and it'll like correct the format of the address basically. So yeah, that's what that is. And then what's here? Integrations is where I added my Big Cartel site. So as you can see, my Big Cartel website is here. If I wanted to add, let's say if I wanted to add a Shopify site, I'll click the Shopify action, add the app to my Shopify store, and then connect it. Or let's say I want to add another Big Cartel website, I think it'll tell me to log in, yeah. So it'll tell me to log in. I'll just, do all my login stuff. So that's pretty cool. That, let's say I have a lip gloss shop and I want to connect it, I'll connect it. If I have a sticker shop, I'll connect my sticker shop. So it's just really cool. So yeah, that's what that integration page is. Then the payment method is how I'll pay for postage, and I have one payment method on there. I'm obviously blurring it out. You can also add different options. And then I put for choose your default payment amount, I chose no default. So basically that means every time I have a shipping label, it'll charge me that individual price. So let's say I have to ship this bucket hat that I'm making or something. I will put in the price, whatever, the weight, whatever. The price comes up to $3.50. I will get charged $3.50. But if I choose $20, they'll automatically load $20 onto my account, so I don't get all these little charges on my card. It'll just take from the 20 every time. If the 20 runs out, it'll load another 20. But the one I chose is it just charges me for each label, And I think that's better too, because you don't have to, let's say you don't want to put $20 into it, you can just get charged for whichever label. And that's really good for people who don't ship every day. Like the 20 or the 50 or whatever, it's good for people who ship multiple packages and they don't want to get all these million different charges on their account. They just want, one big charge every other week, or I don't know, So that's pretty good. And let me talk about ShipStation real quick. I had ShipStation for like 5 months before I got Pirate Ship, and I feel so dumb that I spend $10 each month on ShipStation. First of all, they require you to load money onto your account. You can't choose the little charges. And then it's just too much. And Pirate Ship was just so much better for me. And I'm actually glad I switched to Pirate Ship. So yeah, I just love Pirate Ship. Next, we have the saved packages, and I kind of showed y'all a sneak peek of that already, as you guys can see, and then you can create another one. So this is really great for people who ship like the same type of product or a few same type of products, and you know how much your package is gonna weigh all the time. So let's say you sell hats and you already know you're gonna sell them inside a padded envelope. You know the padded envelope is gonna be 6 by 10 in the dimensions, and then you always know, and you already know the size will always be 6 ounces. So you can create that saved package, and every time you go to create a label, you'll just click hats and it'll automatically go to that, and you don't have to keep typing in the weight and the dimensions every single time. So that's what I really like about saved packages. And then tracking emails, I believe I have the default one. Yeah, I have the default one. So it'll just send the person the tracking link for the package, and I probably could turn it off if I want to, but I just have both on. So I have the Big Cartel tracking notification that sends to the customer, and then also this other one that sends to the customer. But it's just good to have both on. And I know people would be like, what about the packing slip? So the packing slip is a little different. Like the Big Cartel packing slip is a physical paper that the customer gets after they receive the package, and it's like a receipt. And then the one on Pirate Ship is like also a receipt, but it's also, you can also choose a gift message. So it'll like allow the person to type in a message, or it'll allow me to type in a message for the person, whoever they want to send it to. Be like, happy birthday, Jenny. I don't know. Happy birthday, Jenny. I got this from blah, blah, blah. You know, whatever. So that's what that is. And this is pretty much all there is. Like, Pirate Ship is literally so easy to use. The only thing, I wish they had an actual app, but it's kind of, this is basically an app at this point. You just go to the Pirate Ship website and do your thing. So yeah, I really love Pirate Ship. I will not change to another shipping site unless they start making me pay monthly fees. And even if they remove the discounts, I'm good with that because it's still cheap. I don't know, it's still pretty affordable. I haven't went into the USPS and printed a shipping label at the actual store in a while. Also, I forgot to mention this. You can schedule package pickup. So after you create your shipping labels or whatever, you'll click request a pickup with UPS or USPS. I usually use USPS. So then I'll put my address in, put the location, which is front door, and then I'll put the type of package. Let's say I have 3 first class packages, I'll put that. And then the estimated weight total, I'll just put 1, or if you have like a lot of things, you'll put 2 or whatever. And then you'll request the pickup, and they will literally come to your house the next day and pick up the package. You don't even have to go to the USPS, and I love that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Pirate Ship like tutorial video. If you guys want me to do a more like in-depth video of me actually printing packages or postage or shipping labels, whatever you want to call it, and I actually like show you guys the whole process of me doing that, let me know. I would do that when I get back to my dad's house. And also don't forget to check out my previous videos. I'm trying to post a little bit more. I know my channel's kind of all over the place now. I do business related videos, crochet videos, and then I'm trying to incorporate my my own personality kind of into the videos. So that's what I did. That's what I kind of did with the Ross haul. So if you guys want to see more like videos like that, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias. They're in the description box and then also on the screen. So yeah, I will see you guys. Peace.